League of Legends just hit you with error 004. Your patch failed, the client shut down, and you are stuck staring at a red box. Do not close it yet, because I will show you exactly how to fix it in the next few minutes.
Here is what error 004 actually means. It is a patching failure. The Riot Client could not download or install the latest update. It is not a server outage, and it is not your internet connection, so restarting your router will not help. It is something on your PC blocking the update.
Fix number 1 is the easiest. Fully close League of Legends and the Riot Client, then right-click the shortcut, open Properties, go to Compatibility, and check Run this program as administrator. Launch it again, and let the patch retry. Most quick failures clear right here.
Fix number 2, free up disk space. League needs room to download and apply patches. Riot recommends at least 8 GB free before patching, and the game itself wants 16 GB of free storage. Open this PC, check your drive, delete junk files, and try the update again. Fix number 3, your antivirus or firewall is probably blocking the update. Real-time protection often flags patch files by mistake. Briefly disable it, or better, add these 4 Riot files to your allow list: leagueclient.exe, leagueclientuxrender.exe, and leagueoflegends.exe inside the game folder.
Fix number 4, delete your corrupted config files. Close the client, open your League of Legends folder, and delete the config folder and the cache folder. The game rebuilds them automatically on the next launch, and that alone fixes a surprising number of error 04 cases.
Fix number 5, kill the stuck background processes. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager and end anything named Riot Client, Riot Client Services, League Client, or Vanguard. Restart your PC, then open the Riot Client directly from the Start menu for a clean update.
Fix number 6 uses Riot's own repair tool. Download the official Riot repair tool. It used to be called the Hextech repair tool. Close your game, run it as administrator, and enable Force Repatch. It scans your install and downloads every missing or broken file for you.
Fix number 7, fix your network path. Turn off any VPN, then set your DNS to a public server like 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Open Command Prompt as admin, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter, then type netch winsock reset and restart. This clears stale network data, blocking the download.
Fix number 8 is the last resort. Clean reinstall. Uninstall League of Legends, restart your PC, and install it fresh from the official Riot Client onto a drive with plenty of free space. This wipes out deep file corruption that nothing else could fix.
So why does this even happen? Patching works in 4 steps. The client checks for an update, downloads it to your drive, writes the files, and verifies them. If your connection drops, space runs out, permissions are denied, or a file gets locked, the process aborts, and that is error 004. A restart clears a temporary lock, while the bigger fixes attack the permission, space, and corruption layers.
That is every fix for League of Legends error 004. Try them in order, and you will almost always get back into the game. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and tell me in the comments which fix worked for you. See you on the Rift.